and I'll do it 1,000 times again.
Well done. Anya, what do you think of our performance tonight?
Oh, wow. At first, I was just probably staring at him. I was like, is that you? Because last week, obviously, not last week, the week before, you did Mama Knows Best. We heard your belt, but we didn't really get a lot of technical. And then you showed a lot more of that. You showed a lot more of your falsetto as well, how subtle and how soft you can be. And I've heard this song numerous of times, right? I've heard so many different versions, but I've never heard it sung the way you've just sung it. It's so creative, the way you just kind of done all that. You threw your voice everywhere, but it worked. It was absolutely incredible. That song literally could have been written for you. I've got nothing else to say, because other than that, my mind's a bit blank. It was gorgeous. Well done. Thank you.
Kelly?
I really like how this song kind of allowed us to see a softer side, and it allowed us to see that you could bring like light and shade to a song, because it was much more emotional than the song we sang for your audition, and that was really nice to see that you could rise to that sort of challenge. And it was nice as well, because it kind of showed the contrast, and when you are in that like softer side, and when you went for your belt, then the belt was kind of like really effortless, and you seemed really comfortable when you're at like the top end of your range, and those higher notes and they were so controlled and so clean. They were just beautiful, and you put so much passion into it, into your performance, into your vocals. There was like a raspy part in it at one point as well. I think it just had everything. It was a really good song choice for you to kind of show off something else that you can do. I do think that you're a dark horse in this competition. I do think you could do a lot more than what you've shown us, and what you've shown us is a lot already, but I think that you can do even more than what you've showcased, if that makes sense. I think you should be super proud of that. Well done.
I mean, one thing we can really take from this in your performance tonight, first of all, you absolutely smashed the song, all right? But secondly, I was listening to you, and I was listening to the top end of your chest, the way you were hitting them notes at the top of your chest, and I was like, wow, this girl's ridiculously strong with the top of your chest. Like, some of them notes, a lot of people would have to go into their head voice and into their falsetto, but you're absolutely smashing them on the top. And I was watching you in that U, where he was going in for the U, and he was just belting it out. And I've never seen that in somebody of your age. I've never ever seen it ridiculously strong. And I want to give you credit on that, because that's rare I see that in the top end of your voice. What age are you again? 14, isn't it? 13? 15 years of age, and that top end there is ridiculously strong. You should be so impressed and proud. I don't know if you've been notified about that before, but that's one of the best points of your register and what you do right now. And this song showcased it really well. Another thing what I really liked in this tonight, which was really strong, was your falsetto. That was absolutely stunning. The way you was flipping in and out of it, so controlled, like Kelly picked up, amazing. And the way you controlled the stage was spot on. And I don't know what else to say, but that was flawless. I can't even give you anything constructed to work on, because that's how good you are. You should be so impressed with what you've done. Keep doing what you're doing. If you were successful tonight, keep doing what you're doing. That's all I can say. Well done.
Well done.